Hey, what's up everyone? This is Joe. Welcome to another How to Origami tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make an easy origami paper airplane. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to fold in both diagonals, so that means corner to corner and corner to corner, like so. As always, make sure to line up your edges and your corners before you fold so that it's very clean. And crease firmly. Now we're doing the other diagonal. And now you should have this X-shaped crease. Next step is we're going to fold edge to edge, so we're going to fold it in half and put a crease right down the middle. And once you've folded it in half, go ahead and unfold it. Now we should have the X and also this center line running right here. What we're going to do now is we're going to fold the top two corners into that center point where all the lines cross. I'm just rotating the paper so that I can crease it a little bit easier. Like that. And notice I've left a small gap in here. This isn't essential, but it makes it a little bit easier later on. So I recommend that if you haven't done paper airplanes before, then this will be a new piece of information, but usually leaving a gap along the center line is a good idea so that it can fold easier along that center crease. So let's go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to fold the top point down to the center point. And as always, make sure you keep that center crease well aligned. Alright, once you've done that, let's flip it over. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge to one of these diagonals. And what will happen is it'll create a point right here. Alright, there's one. Now we're going to do that on the opposite side. Again, I'm just rotating the paper so that I have easier access with my right hand. Alright, and there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold this in half along that center crease, like so, and press down to make sure there's no bubbling going on. That means any paper that's bowed or not able to lie down flat when folded. So now to fold the wings out, what we're going to do is we're going to fold from just below the top of this point. From that, we're going to start right about there, and we're going to fold down so that this crease right here contacts this bottom point. So it's a good idea to flip it over and look to see where that lines up. And once you're about there, go ahead and give it a solid crease. Now we only have to do this once, because now what we can do for the second wing is we can just fold it down so that it's identical to the crease on the first wing. This makes sure, or this ensures that both wings are the exact same size and shape. Once you've done that, finalize your fold. And what we're going to do now is open the wings, and the wings should be just slightly above parallel to the ground. So you can see this one looks about right. This one is a little too far down, so we're going to bend that one up. Alright, so that looks a lot better. Now with all paper airplanes, the most important thing, the most important thing is the trimming, right? So when you first throw this, it probably is not going to fly super straight. So what you're going to want to do is adjust the flaps on the back, so bend the paper up or down just a little bit. If your airplane nose dives, then what you're going to want to do is slightly bend the paper in the back upwards. If it goes up and stalls out and then falls, or does a loop even, then you're going to want to bend the paper down a little bit. If it veers to the left or right, then you're going to have to adjust one side or the other until it corrects its behavior. So play around with that a little bit. Hopefully the trimming isn't too difficult, and let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.